Guys, I'm filming this video to hold me accountable. My entire home is absolutely filthy to me. It's a disaster. I can't get anything done. I can't be creative. I can't do anything until it's fixed. So it's Sunday. I promised myself that every Sunday I would have a cleaning day. Just so it's like one day where I just clean, vacuum, do the whole thing and make it like a tradition. So it's Sunday, which means today's the day. Everything is just gross to me in my house. We need a spring cleaning. I figured if I film it, I'll make it more fun, hold myself accountable. You know, I need another coffee, so let's do that first. But first, coffee. To add to the problem, look what Maisie just did. No, see, I need to get off my phone. And I need to like also feel presentable. This is so crazy, guys. There's two things I care about most in this world. A comfy bed and a good morning coffee. Those two things get me through. If I don't have that, I just, you know, I'll invest any amount of money into my bed because I literally spend half my life in there. Like, it should be really nice and comfortable, right? And then for the past 5 years, my morning espresso has been the shittiest, cheapest Breville machine. Out of all things I invested in my life, why don't I invest in a nice espresso machine? Like, it was about time. And so I was so excited. This is a German machine, and then this is an Italian grinder. So I like specially ordered it. Came in, I was so excited about it. I am still so excited about it. But tell me why the day after, literally the day after this arrives, I spent thousands, right? Thousands on this whole coffee machine situation. Tell me why the day after I get a PR package from Ninja. An entire ass espresso machine. Like, look at this. Look at this. It's so high tech. They have all these options. You can do cold brew, espresso. Like, is this a joke? It's not like this happens to me normally. Like, I've never in my life gotten a PR package with technology like that. Like, what? It couldn't have come like a couple months ago, then this would have never happened. But now I don't know what to do. Like, what? That's amazing. Thank you, Ninja. Like, I've never gotten a PR package like that in my life. The only thing is because this is like a real espresso machine, it's very complicated. I have to turn it on, it has to heat for 7 minutes. I have to wait for the boiler, the steamer, it has to be, it's like a lot, but that's what makes a good espresso. So I'm still not doing something right because it doesn't come out the way I want. Like, and it has to be filled at all times. Like, it's a lot of work. Honestly, at this point, I don't even know if it's worth it. I went to a Danish bakery yesterday. I don't know if you guys know, but my mom is from Denmark. I grew up on this rye bread. It may look gross to you guys, but it's like a fully seeded bread. And I love it because I grew up with it. Typically, you do like open-faced sandwiches with it. It's a good orange. Eating this, and then we're getting back to work. All these dead flowers, like, I'm so excited for a clean house. Sometimes if I do a little bit of makeup, I'll just feel better in my day. So I'm gonna do that right now. Lately, I've been loving these Drunk Elephant drops. They're not the bronzing ones, they're like the gold ones. They're really pretty. I like any type of glowy base product, always. I'll talk more about it later, but lately I've just been feeling so insecure. I get my period next week, and every single time, like the week before my period, I just get so insecure about my body, about my face. Like, I genuinely have an identity crisis every time. I just have the worst ways of dealing with it. Like, I constantly find myself trying to distract myself with anything that I can than actually like deal with the root of the problem, which is just like genuinely how I feel about myself inside. I feel like when you're in your 20s, you find yourself in so many different situations, and it's hard to really relate to a lot of your friends because everyone's on their own path, especially in their 20s. It's so easy for me to just pick up my phone and doom scroll for hours or like put on some TV show that I know will distract me. But every time I do that, it might feel good in the moment, but I always leave feeling worse. I know what's good for me, I know what will make me feel better and be a better person, but it's just so hard to motivate myself to do it. I feel like especially when spring and summer comes around, I feel this constant pressure of like, okay, the weather's nice, I should be outside, I should be social, I should be hanging out with friends, like everybody on social media, going on trips, hanging out. When you deal with anxiety like me, it's so much easier said than done. Taking care of your mental health is equally as important as anything else. And my sponsor today, BetterHelp, can connect you to a therapist who can provide support. I'm using this Road Blush in Juice Box. It's actually really, really cute. BetterHelp is so easy to start. All you have to do is fill out a questionnaire and they will match you to a therapist in as little as a couple days. You can easily switch therapists at no extra cost if it isn't the right fit. And their customer support team is there to help you if you have any questions. With over 7,000 reviews and a 4.3 rating on Trustpilot, BetterHelp is a platform that you can trust. Let BetterHelp help you rule your anxiety so it does not rule you. Click the link in my description or go to betterhelp.com/Luna to get 10% off your first month of therapy. I promise starting therapy is something you will not regret. Hi, little babe. Hi, little girl. She's such a little girl. You're just my little girl. It's been like 2 hours since I started this video and I haven't done anything. I feel like if I have like an active outfit on and some shoes, we can really get to work. I got these New Balances with little polka dots. What a mess. First, I'm gonna gather all the laundry. One more bathroom. These dog beds smell like piss. Let's go put this in. Okay, a couple more things. I'm gonna have to do like 3 loads, so first load is in. Great girl! While we're out here, let's water the plants. Can we all agree that the shower setting is the best setting? This one. That's the best setting. Who wants... No. Oh, Mister's cute, but like for what? That one goes straight. Angled. My system is I'm going to clear everything out, then I'm going to put everything in its respectable room. Respectable? Put everything in the room it's supposed to, then clean those rooms. Go room to room. I need to go room to room. As a reward at the end of the day for Easter, I will put this garland up. Let's start at this half wall. This half wall is just like my junk drawer, but on a wall. Really need a better system, but I just don't have one. I cleaned it up. However, the stuff that I had out here, like the flowers and all the pink and red, was all for Valentine's Day. And I normally like to theme this wall for like the season. I obviously would love to do Easter, but at least it's clean. Next is the fireplace situation here, which is normally where I collect all my PR until it gets overwhelming and I have to put it all away finally. So I've shot most of it, but like, oh my god. We have all this Patrick Ta stuff to put away. Let's just start clearing this out. Next up we have the living room. It isn't terrible, but I want to like rearrange. This new candle from Trader Joe's, it's tomato leaf. It literally smells so good. I just want this scent all over my house. Okay, let's revamp the coffee table. I got all these new coffee table books a while ago at the Toshin sale, which is like this crazy thing where they give me a bunch of free books for posting. But now I have so many coffee table books that I can kind of rotate what I want to display. So I think I definitely want to use these 3, but I just need to make sure they look good. It's like an Andy Warhol book and a couple others. Next up we have the glam room. It's a disaster mess in here, so let's get to work.
Da primeira vez que eu te vi, menina.
Boyfriend brought me matcha. Very nice of him. I'm honestly losing steam. We're almost done with this room. Done with that. Now we have my makeup table. That's as good as it's gonna get right now. And it will be a mess in about a day anyway. So now we have this bathroom. Should be pretty quick. We just need to clear this all. So satisfying, but I tried to use like wax melts and wax myself the other day. Terrible decision, never again, but look how satisfying. It just like pops out like that. Okay, next. Oh, that's nice. I can't do it anymore. I want to be a matcha person, but it just makes me so nauseous. I don't know why. Let's do this. I don't know if you can see, but my duvet cover is completely ripped up. My mom has tried to sew the holes now 2 times and they keep ripping open. Like, it's definitely time for me to get a new duvet cover, but I'm so picky. Nowhere in America has soft bed linen. Like, I don't want to hear it. Target has the worst bed linen. I can't even believe. This is the perfect comforter cover and I just can't get rid of it. If you guys have any brand recommendations, I need traditional bed linen. No flannel, no silk, no sateen. Like, last and final room.
And so if he's asking me what,
I want to show you guys a project I've been working on. In my hallway going that way, I have a mirror and a couple frames, and I wanted to put one more big like movie poster frame on the end. I've had this frame now for months and I had no idea what I wanted to do. I don't know, buying art is so hard and so permanent, but I was on Pinterest and then I saw this drawing and then I found the girl and I loved her style of drawing and I got a piece commissioned by her, which I'll show you right now. Her name is Cherry Colored Funk on Instagram. Basically, it's this girl kind of resembling me in her little ballet wrap top, and it says, "Need money for Mew Mew." I have that classic little Mew Mew choker I always wear, braids, and it says, "Emergency please." She doesn't send them colored, so I have to color it in myself. So I thought, how cute if I get it printed and then do it like a project, like color it in myself with whatever colors I want. So I did a FedEx order to print it in this huge size, chose matte paper, but on accident I chose matte laminate, which is like, you know what this is, like laminate. And you can't color on that. That won't stick to anything. So I decided to digitally color it in. It's gonna take a couple days for me to like really decide on the colors. So I'm just gonna put this in the frame just to see. This is how it's gonna look. Obviously it's gonna be colored in. It's officially vacuum time, which means it's almost the end of cleaning day. Thank God. Done.
before I get to Chris's.
My little treat, I get to put this up. I got this from Home Goods. It's the cutest thing ever. This little curtain hold back thing fell out over here, just like the nails I put in didn't stay, so I need to do that. I'll do that tomorrow. I'm on my like 10th load of laundry. It's such a beautiful spring day. Now I'm gonna take the doggies for a walk. You guys wanna go for a walk? She hates walks. Once you're out, you like it though. You just hate the harness, huh? She literally goes frozen when she sees the harness. She's like, are you joking? You like it. Drama queen. You can't stay inside all day. Oops. You okay? She's stiff as a board. If I put her down, she will run and hide. Come on, good girl. Maisie, come on. It's okay, you're gonna like it. I promise. Come on. I'm gonna go in the hot tub and maybe the pool if I'm brave, just to try to end my day calmly. It was a successful cleaning day, guys. And we have White Lotus tonight. Lately, I've been feeling really, really insecure about my body. Like, I just put this bathing suit on and I feel so gross. I don't even want to be on camera. Like, trying to be real with you. Every single month, the week before my period, I have an existential identity crisis where I don't feel beautiful anymore. I have weird skin texture. I have pimples. My body, like, I'm eating like shit. Genuinely, I'm eating like crap, you guys. I'm trying to have a deep moment. Is this normal? Is this how your dogs play? It's so violent. She goes back for more every time. I know this is probably just a phase and I won't feel like this in a week. Like, I just snack at night all the time. I haven't been working out regularly. Like, when it's not Nutcracker season, I just genuinely don't have motivation to go work out. Like, oh, it's hot. I just love my house so much. I can't believe this is mine. So my boobs are huge right now, which I should be liking, but honestly from ballet, like dance trauma, I've always been taught that boobs are bad, so I just have that mentality. Like, I just convinced myself that my body type doesn't look good with big boobs. Hey, can you leave me alone? But literally every month I convince myself I'm pregnant, which, you know what? This month my IUD is up. I got the 3-year hormonal IUD and I got my IUD 3 years ago in March. So, you know, maybe I'm pregnant. I'm not pregnant. I do this every month. Whatever. I genuinely feel like right now I'm the most creative and like productive I've ever been. And I have all these ideas flowing. I'm like actually doing all these videos that I want, but they're not doing well. And I'm so upset about that because I want to be motivated. I won this Awala water bottle at a baby shower. It's the best thing ever. I totally get why people love these water bottles. I've been trying to cold plunge in the pool. I don't know if it's technically a cold plunge, but it's freezing in there. Just getting over the fear of doing it. And I know all this time of me thinking like, oh, I can do it, and then chickening out. Like if I just chickened out altogether, I would feel like shit for the rest of my day because I didn't do it. I'm trying to get overheated, so it's easier. Oh, it's not that bad. Oh yeah. Okay, now my body feels amazing. Oh, I feel newborn. Peaceful moment ended. Lucky threw up on the rug. So, being a mom of 2 is crazy. So true. Boyfriend's coming over to watch White Lotus because that's what we do every Sunday. Because I know I'm gonna go on TikTok and see spoilers. I got this Korean short rib frozen meat from Trader Joe's and it honestly looks really good. It's literally as if I'm at Korean barbecue right now. I took the frozen vegetable rice from Trader Joe's, also with some white rice just to put more. I also cooked up some edamame. I'm just gonna make little like Korean barbecue bowls for us. I'm gonna act like I made this meat like from scratch, even though it's a Trader Joe's frozen packet. You better appreciate it. Come on into the lair.
Hey guys, today we're doing cooking with Ian.
Hey, are you impressed at my Korean barbecue from scratch?
I'm so impressed.
Nah.
She cooks stir fry. Someone better hire her. Luna loves to watch HBO shows because she loves sexual things. Like every time. Like she's like, we should watch this new show. It's really good. It's really good. Next thing I see is like naked girl. And then and then I'm like, whoa, that was crazy. Okay, at least it's probably like one time. I don't know. The whole fucking episode. The whole season, matter of fact.
Not me, it's you. Like, cause you just get weirdly squeamish with sex scenes.
You hear this fucking gaslighting?
You get so uncomfortable. It's girls. The show is girls, and of course, like it's a common show. Blah blah blah.
Respectfully.
You want sriracha mayo on, right?
Hell no. Be you crazy?
Food for you? You do. It's my gift to you. Hey, do you want anything to drink?
Yeah, you.
Any Puerto Ricans watching? Oh, fellow Puerto Rican right here. And I found this at the market, and it's his favorite drink from when he was little. Malta.
Marta.
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 Marta Goya.
It's been real. We're gonna watch White Lotus.